Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best boat umbrella is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any boating enthusiast, offering crucial protection from the elements while you're out on the water. Whether you're looking to shield yourself from the harsh sun's rays, seeking refuge from an unexpected downpour, or simply want to create a more comfortable and shaded environment on your deck, a high-quality boat umbrella can significantly enhance your time spent enjoying your vessel. This review will delve into what makes a boat umbrella truly stand out, ensuring you make an informed decision for your next aquatic adventure. Number 5. REPEL Windproof Travel Umbrella. Don't let the wind ruin your day. This umbrella is engineered to withstand winds up to 85 miles per hour, keeping you dry and protected. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. Easily fits into your backpack, purse, or car for on-the-go convenience. Built with premium materials, this umbrella offers superior durability. It's your reliable companion for both rainy days and sunny weather. Enjoy effortless operation with its auto-folding feature. One press is all it takes to open or close it, making it incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a man or a woman, this umbrella is designed for your comfort and needs. It provides robust protection without compromising on style. This is more than just an umbrella, it's an essential accessory for daily life. Stay prepared for any weather with this strong and reliable choice. What we like. If you're often caught in strong winds, this is the umbrella for you. Its ability to withstand up to 85 miles per hour winds makes it incredibly reliable. It's also compact and portable, fitting easily into backpacks and cars. Choose this if you need a durable and dependable umbrella for harsh weather conditions. What people say. Held up to wine fine during the blizzard in NYC in February 2026, glad to have the extra size and strength during the storm. It's sturdy, not flimsy as spines won't collapse readily. Snappy takedown. Put back in the holster and continue my walk. This umbrella stood its ground. Rain does not seep through it, the protection is great as is the coverage and storage capacity because it sits in my handbag nicely. The button still works. Number 4. REPEL Windproof Travel Umbrella. Don't let the wind ruin your day. This umbrella is engineered to withstand winds up to 85 miles per hour, keeping you dry and protected. It's designed for life on the go. This compact umbrella easily fits into your backpack or car, making it your perfect travel companion. Crafted with premium materials, it offers exceptional durability for both rainy days and sunny conditions. You can rely on it, whatever the weather. Enjoy effortless operation with its auto-folding feature. One press is all it takes to open or close it, providing ultimate convenience. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable for anyone to carry. Stay protected without feeling weighed down, whether you're commuting or exploring. This is more than just an umbrella, it's your reliable shield against the elements. Experience superior protection and portability, designed for modern life. What we like. For those who value convenience and protection from both rain and sun, this umbrella is a great choice. Its automatic open and close feature is perfect for quick entries into cars or buildings. The windproof design and superior waterproof canopy ensure you stay dry, while UV protection is available for sunny days. If you're looking for a practical, all-weather travel essential, consider this option. What people say. Held up to wine fine during the blizzard in NYC in February 2026, glad to have the extra size and strength during the storm. It's sturdy, not flimsy as spines won't collapse readily. Snappy takedown. Put back in the holster and continue my walk. This umbrella stood its ground. Rain does not seep through it, the protection is great as is the coverage and storage capacity because it sits in my handbag nicely. The button still works. If you're stumped on which umbrella to buy because you've been searching for days, look no more and stop right here, because this baby ain't gonna punk up when a torrential wind catches it off guard. Number 3. SICK Compact Travel Umbrella. Don't let the wind ruin your day. This umbrella features a robust aluminum frame and fiberglass ribs, designed to resist strong gusts and even flip back into shape if inverted. Crafted with a premium, water-repellent canopy, it dries quickly after rain. Many designs also offer UPF 50+ sun protection, making it a true travel essential. Need to get inside quickly? With a simple press of a button, you can open or close it automatically. It's the perfect blend of automatic convenience and lightweight portability. We've upgraded to a more expensive aluminum frame, reducing weight by up to 20% without compromising quality. This ensures it's lightweight, convenient for travel, and resistant to rust. As a direct manufacturer, we guarantee the quality of this umbrella. You get brand quality at a great price, and if anything goes wrong, we'll replace it, no return needed. What we like. If you need a travel umbrella that offers solid wind resistance without being too bulky, this is a strong contender. The vented double canopy helps to prevent it from inverting in winds up to 55 miles per hour. It collapses down to a very compact 11 inches, making it easy to pack. This is ideal for everyday commuters or travelers who want reliable protection in a small package. What people say. It's the perfect size to keep in my handbag without taking up too much space, but when opened, it gives great coverage. The automatic open and close feature works smoothly, which makes it super convenient when you're getting in and out of the car quickly. I've used it on both rainy and sunny days, and it holds up well against strong wind without flipping inside out. The UV sun protection is also a big plus, especially for hot days. The material feels sturdy and well-made, not flimsy like some compact umbrellas. This umbrella feels very sturdy and well-made. It has worked excellently for me so far, strong, reliable, and easy to use. It handles rain and wind without any problems, which is exactly what I needed. Number 2. Windproof Compact Travel Umbrella. Don't let the rain catch you unprepared. This umbrella is designed to keep you dry and protected, no matter the forecast. It conveniently collapses to just 11 inches, making it easy to fit into your bag or backpack. Take it with you anywhere you go. Built with a robust fiberglass and steel frame, it's designed to withstand strong winds. You can rely on its durability. Featuring a vented double canopy, it's engineered to resist winds up to 55 miles per hour. This ensures it won't invert or break. With the simple push of a button, it automatically opens and closes. Enjoy hassle-free use on the go. Its 42-inch canopy provides ample coverage, shielding you from the rain. You'll stay comfortably dry. What we like. This umbrella is perfect for anyone who wants to avoid getting wet when closing their umbrella, especially when getting in and out of cars. The unique inverted folding design keeps the wet surface on the inside, preventing drips. It also features convenient auto open-close functionality. If you dislike dealing with dripping umbrellas and want a cleaner experience, this is the one to get. What people say. The quality is great, and the push button to open it is super practical. It's also very easy to close, but my favorite part is the vent on top. It lets the wind pass through so the umbrella doesn't flip inside out on gusty days. The quality is impeccable and the umbrella really can sustain strong winds without bending. It's portable, easy drying, and effective at blocking a rain shower. It has a vent system that is supposed to prevent it from inverting. The quick release is very convenient, especially when carrying my 1-year-old and trying to avoid getting wet. The handle has a silky rubber feel. The button to release the umbrella has 2 arrows in a light gray color. There is a nylon wrist strap. Easily goes over my hand and hangs on my wrist. Number 1. LANBRELLA Compact Reverse Folding Umbrella. Introducing the LANBRELLA Compact Reverse Folding Umbrella, designed for ultimate convenience. Its shorter, easy carry size makes it perfect for travel and everyday use, fitting anywhere you need it. Tired of wet floors and dripping umbrellas? Our unique inverted folding design keeps the wet surface inside when closed. This means no more mess when getting in and out of your car or on your floors. Don't let the wind and rain get you down. This umbrella is super windproof and waterproof, thanks to its 8 reinforced fiberglass ribs and high-density 210T canopy. It offers superior protection without being overly bulky. This upgraded, lightweight design is incredibly portable. It easily stores in your car, briefcase, or backpack, making it ideal for travel, business, or daily commutes. Struggling with your umbrella in the rain? With just one button push, it opens automatically and closes instantly. This feature is a lifesaver, especially when your hands are full. We stand by our product with a 100-day riskless money-back warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return it for a full refund. What we like. For those who want maximum coverage and peace of mind, this umbrella stands out. Its superior windproof construction and a generous 46-inch arc provide excellent protection. The added benefit of a lifetime warranty means you can trust in its durability for years to come. If you're looking for a robust, long-lasting umbrella with extensive coverage, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The umbrella is very sturdy and has a strong frame that can withstand strong winds. It has a large canopy that provides excellent coverage, keeping you completely dry even in heavy rain. The automatic open and close button works smoothly and is very convenient to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.